Programming motion sensor logic. In this lesson, we will look at a simple example of how to program logic using a motion sensor. First objective: turn on a light when motion is detected. Turn off the same light after 3 minutes of no motion. Step-by-step programming. Logic 1. If motion detected. Select Logic 1. Set the logic to valid. Add a comment, for example, if movement. In the Conditions section, enable motion sensor. Select motion. Set delay time equals 0. In the Command section, click Modify command. Select Single Channel Light. Choose the room and channel. Set intensity to 100% or a lower percentage for dimmers. Click Configure, then Save. Logic 2. No motion detected. Select Logic 2. Set the logic to valid. Add a comment, for example, no motion. In the Conditions section, enable motion sensor. Select no motion. Set delay time equals 3 minutes. Click Save Logic. In the Command section, click Modify command. Select Single Channel Light. Choose the room and channel. Set intensity to 0%. Click Configure, then Save. To test the logic, move under the sensor. The light turns on. Click Refresh in the Conditions Status section. The status changes to movement. Stop moving. The status changes to no movement. And the running time starts counting down. When the countdown finishes, the light turns off. For testing purposes, you can set a shorter delay time at first, then increase it to the required value and save the logic again. Second objective: adding a light level condition. If a corridor or room receives enough natural light from windows, you may not want the light to turn on. To do this, edit Logic 1, if movement. Add an additional condition. Enable lux. Set range 0 to 300 lux. Set the relation to and. Click Save Logic. In this case, the light will turn on only if motion is detected and. The room brightness is between 0 and 300 lux. Third objective: turn on the lights at lower brightness based on time. For example, between 10 p.m. and 6 a.m., when movement is detected under the sensor, the light turns on at only 30% brightness. This helps protect the eyes at night from high brightness. To do this, you need to create a new logic and set time as the second condition. If movement is detected, and the time is between 10 p.m. and 6 o'clock, save the logic. Then, go to Modify command and add the light command to turn on at 30% brightness. Now let's look at an important energy-saving best practice. One of the main objectives of TIS is energy efficiency. If a room contains more than 2 lighting channels and a fan, along with a motion sensor and a TIS wall switch, the recommended programming scenario is: when motion is detected and the room is dark, only one light channel should turn on if lighting is needed. When no one is in the room, all lighting channels and the fan should turn off, even if the user previously turned them on using the wall keypad. If more than one lighting channel needs to be turned off, edit the No Motion Logic command. Trigger multiple channels to turn off. Add different delay times for each channel. For example, turn off the second channel after 30 seconds. This prevents the room from turning completely dark at the same time. You should understand that sensor programming depends on the location. Correct programming gives users a better living experience without annoying them, while still saving energy and making the home feel truly smart. Programming a motion sensor strongly depends on where it is installed. For areas such as kitchens, corridors, toilets, and passages, Use motion detection to turn one light on. Turn all lights off after no movement is detected. For bedrooms and similar spaces, it is not recommended to turn lights on automatically using motion. Instead, use motion logic to turn off lighting. Switch off air conditioning. Turn off other appliances when no one remains in the room for an extended period. This approach ensures user comfort while maximizing energy efficiency.